Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time. This is episode number 51. This is the show where I show you how to do different things to instant noodles. I've reviewed over 3,000 of them and done a ton of garnishing, so yeah. Today I am absolutely beat. I've been getting crummy sleep for the last, I don't know, month. My boy Miles, he won't sleep through the night, so he wakes up in the middle of the night, and then he comes into our room, and he'll be 3 next week, and something he's really enjoying doing is basically he'll like toss and turn and spin around. Sometimes I'll have his like heel in my chin, kick, fun stuff like that, but hey, you know, it's just part of the deal. But yeah, I've kind of hit my sleep wall. I was gonna try to sleep in this morning, but that didn't work out, which is, you know, the reason for it's okay. But yeah, so today I'm doing a couple things. The first one I'm gonna do is ultra easy. If you can't do this, then it's probably because you don't have any arms, and if that's the case, I'm very sorry. But if you do have arms and you can do this, then hey, this is from Samyang Foods of South Korea, their Sriracha ramen snack. Now, when you were a kid and you were lazier than you are now, which is probably insane to even think about. At least when I was a kid, you take top ramen inside the pack and you crunch it up. You pull out the flavoring sachet, right? And you sprinkle it on, shake it up like popcorn, and you're good. Well, guess what? That's not like a crazy thing that's only done in the States. This is actually a product that does that. And South Korea has scads of varieties. I don't know how many, but there's different brands that do it. Otogi has them. Who else? Otogi. There's Pow Crunch. There's Pipushu, or might just be Pushu. Probably is. But here's how you prepare this. It's really simple. Make sure that you can see. Right there. Okay, it's just right. You ready? No, that's about right. Now what you do is you take out the sachet. You don't want to tear the bag too much, because then you're going to have an accident. Lots of sachet powder all over the place. Sometimes you'll find chunks that are that big. You might want to go over and kind of, whoops, there, now you can see. Sometimes you'll find chunks that are like that big. It's just a little on the large size. You're looking at like bite size is what you're going for. You know, something like that. That's okay. And then you have a sachet of seasoning powder. You rip it open and you dump it in. So now it's in there. And you close her up, and you shake, and you shake, and you shake, and you stop, and you shake, 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 and you stop. And there you go. Then you grab a bowl. Now, I could end right there, and there is how you prepare it. Here's how it looks. Okay. Can you see that? Here, let me do this really quick because there. There's what it looks like at this juncture, and that's pretty good. Now I could stop there or add some things to it. First, this is sesame nuts nut mix. We've got cashews, there's peanuts, sesame sticks, good stuff. Then, so that's salty, and we already have spicy and salty as well. So perhaps something sweet. I'm going with these. These are honey butter almonds, and these come from Asha Foods of Taiwan. I don't know if they look like this in Taiwan, but they're good. And these are really freaking good. Very light crunch. Yeah, they're quite good. So now there's like the incessant sweetness. And then to kind of give another balance to it, I'm thinking these are called craisins. They're cranberries that have gone through the same process as grapes do to become raisins. Oh, buddy, that might be too many. Unless you really like craisins, let's pull it back a little bit. And then we gently knead the food. Knead it. And then you have a bunch of things going on, and it's a party. This is instantaneously now, there is a party here. How's it going? Oh, cool. How are the kids? How's the family? Good, good. Yeah, it's a party. And yeah, I mean, you could add whatever you want to it, and you can generally do this with pretty much anything. These almonds are yeah, that works. It's a nice mixture, I'll be honest. And definitely if the spiciness is a little much for you, that cuts down on that, that's for sure. The less you use of the other things, the more spicy will remain. So, but yeah, cool. Well, that's probably the quickest recipe time yet, but yeah. Alright. Well, if you enjoyed this, perhaps you'd enjoy this over here, or this, or this. I think there's probably two things over here. Watch the chocolate break. You need to watch that show. It makes me really happy when people watch it, because it's me and my wife doing the show. So, alright, well, hey, this has been Hans, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one, and bye.